Toma aire y suelta. ¡Woo!
Ay, por Dios.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. Okay, now in out. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Good.
That was a big relief. Okay, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Drop the shoulder a little bit.
Hey, man, that's so good right there.
Towards the left. Now just drop the head to the right, drop it.
Oh.
So just drop the head to the left, drop it. Yeah. Very good. Just relax it, drop it, drop it. Wow. Go ahead and drop the head to the left. Wow.
Oh gosh.
Drop the head to the right.
Wow, that was so good.
Very nice. Okay, go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh,
Wow.
that was amazing.
Feel good?
Yes.
That was super loud. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Oh yeah, release. I can feel on the bottom.
As soon as I rolled you away, yep. Okay, head all the way down to my hand here. Just relax that shoulder, okay? Just relax it for me, give me full control. Do me a favor and drop the head to the left, drop it.
Ooh, yeah. That was it right there.
How'd that feel?
Oh, that felt really good.
Just relax it. Very good. How did that feel?
Really nice.
Did you hear that big pop we got there?
I felt it through my whole body.
Wow. Now just drop the head towards me. Now just drop it towards me. So you're going to feel a nice little pull towards me. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time for me. All the way out. Just relax it. Go ahead and drop the head down. Very good.
Wow, that was good.
How'd that feel?
That felt great. I've
You
been
get a good
waiting
release
for
of
that.
that?
Yeah,
Good.
absolutely.
Awesome. Awesome. And nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Wow. Big release.
That felt like
How'd
the
that
biggest
feel?
pop of my life.
That was amazing. How'd that feel?
So good.
Awesome. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. That was even bigger than the other side. How'd that feel?
Really nice.
Awesome. Just drop the head to the left, drop it.
Oh, yes. Did you? You did, because I did.
How'd that feel?
Let's do the right side.
Just do me a favor, drop the head towards the right, drop it. That was loud.
That was great.
You feel some of that release already.
Yeah.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. And just relax it.
Oh. Oh.
Very good.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
How did that feel?
I'm speechless. Wow, that felt amazing.
So then right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna get full position here. Now just do me a favor and drop the head to the left.
Oh. That's what I hear on Instagram. Ew. Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
I felt it all right here. Wow.
Awesome.
That
was
is
huge.
crazy. Oh, that's going to get so many views.
That's an awesome release. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. How'd that feel, man?
That shit felt so good. I'm telling you. This is heaven.
A lot of